Hello, welcome to our video on fraction, decimal, percent conversions. When converting a fraction to a decimal, you take the numerator, or the top number, and you divide it by the denominator, the bottom number. So for instance, in example 1, we're taking 3 and we divide it by 4, and we have now converted 3/4 into a decimal. Taking a look at practice number 1, if we want to write 16/25 as a decimal, you would simply do top divided by bottom, and you would get 0.64. Now let's say you have a decimal and you'd like to convert that to a percent. You can do this a couple ways. You can either multiply that decimal by 100, or you can move the decimal place 2 places to the right. Consider example 2. You can take 0.34, and to convert that to a percent, you can either multiply it by 100, or notice you can also simply move the decimal 2 places to the right. Practice 2 says write 0.27 as a percent, so either multiply 0.27 by 100 to get 27%, or you can take 0.27 and move the decimal 2 places to the right. Either way is fine. Example 3 asks us to write 0.0005 as a percent. And notice once again, we multiply that decimal by 100 and we'll come out with 0.05%. That's smaller than 1%. Over on the next page with practice 3, let's again just move the decimal over 2 places to the right. So we'll have 0.004%. Consider example 4. Write 3 as a percent. Please remember, if you do not see a decimal, there still is a decimal there. It falls directly to the right of the number. So in this case, the decimal falls to the right of the 3.0 times 100, and we'll get 300. The next problem asks us to write 1 as a percent. So we can take 1.0, multiply it by 100, and we will get 100%. When converting a percent to a fraction or a decimal, divide by 100. So for example, in example 5, write 62% as both a fraction and a decimal. We'll take 62% and divide it by 100. 62 over 100, and we'll simplify that to 31/50. If you recall from our fraction video, we just divided the top and the bottom by 2 here to simplify it. Take a look at the decimal. If we have 62%, we're going to go ahead and divide that by 100%, and we will end up with 0.62. Now, another way you could have done this is if you had 62%, instead of moving the decimal 2 places to the right, you can also move the decimal 2 places to the left and end up with 0.62. Both ways work. Please consider example 5, practice 5, and they want us to write 75% as both a fraction and a decimal. So let's take 75%, divide it by 100. You may notice that 25 goes into the top and the bottom, so we are going to divide the numerator and denominator by 25. and we'll end up with 3/4. And if we want to convert 75% to a decimal, we can divide 75% by 100%, and we'll end up with 0.75. Or, if you recall in the last example, if you have 75% and you need to convert that to a decimal, you can also move your decimal over 2 places to the left. I hope you found that video helpful.